Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am barely holding on, holding up, maybe all three, I don't know. I'm gonna try to go through this video and not ramble too much. I don't know, I just feel sick altogether. This is the lineup for this month, catching up on K-pop. I already reacted to Alexa, Secret Number, and Mix, STAYC, and Mix, Change Up. Let's go, big wave, puppy. Let's go. Here we've got Nature, Yooa, Yooa, and XG for last. Limbo. I saw a post on Instagram about this challenge. There's a challenge, obviously, nowadays there's a challenge for everything with the song. And Limbo, obviously, you know, it's a game, right? Limbo. You have to go under a certain bar. Yeah, that. Very original. I give that. Oh, no English caption. No more what? Let's go. And suddenly I'm miscoloring my hair. Pretty. Just like that. Britney Spears. This is giving is Britney Beach. No? Oh, pretty. That's what I saw. Okay, I know I'm sick. That maybe my fever is like doing things to my brain, but this feels like a fever dream. Oh. Like nothing of this feels real. I cannot explain. Is this reality? Is this real? Am I alive? Let me explain to you. I feel weirdly hypnotized by this. This is what it reminds me of. Both songs make me feel like I'm going through a fever dream. Both of these songs feel unreal. But look at me. I don't know when this song came out, 9 years ago. It's not on the official page, but whatever. 9 years ago, and I still remember that song. That speaks level. I can't tell you that I like it, but I don't dislike it. Like, I'm feeling very lighthearted, lightheaded right now. And it's like, this song did not help. It's almost like, you know, how some animals in the animal kingdom they have like a special call or whatever to hunt or something. I feel like this is what happened right here. It's almost like they have like, I'm their prey. No, it's not even that they caught me. Like, I'm their prey and they're hypnotizing me with the melody of this song so that I would approach them by myself. It's almost like this song is the spider web and I got caught in it and I can't get out of it. I'm pretty sure I'm not loving this. I'm not loving this. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's like a part of me that loves those like nonsensical K-pop songs just because of how weird they are. It's almost because this song is feeding that weird part of my heart that loves these songs for an unknown reason, but I would never be able to bring myself to say that I love it, that I find the song great. Do you know what I mean? It's gonna be one of these songs where it's like, it feels like it's a fever dream. So much so that I will end up addicted to that weirdness of it. Yeah, I think that's where I stand right now. That was a lot. Holy fuck. I don't know why I got that Britney bitch energy at the beginning. You know what I mean? It's kind of like giving like, isn't it Circus or like Womanizer from Britney? That's like re-electronized. You know what? I can't say I dislike this. This is really giving Britney. You a womanizer. Yeah, this is giving that. I don't dislike this. Okay, this is great. This is great, right? It's like, how many songs are there in here? The thing is, it feels like multiple songs, but they're stitched up pretty well. I feel like my soul is detaching from my body. Well, nature, thank you for this experience. Wow. Apparently you can get high on like cough syrup. This probably gave me the same sensation. Like, don't get cough syrup, just listen to this. Wow, that was an experience. Wow, okay. Moving on. Yooa, Selfish. Her comeback, her comeback song. Should stop being surprised by the quality of music video from WM, because I've dubbed them the company with the best CGI probably. Yeah. I mean, just look at On and Off. Even Oh My Girl's music video. Taeyoung's music video was really great, really done as well, edited and everything. So yes. English. Selfish, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the place to be.
The thing is, you know, they had to go in and add those dark circles on her because she doesn't really have that. Me, I have them naturally. Hey. She's got such a unique voice, actually. Damn, I don't know why I never realized it before. Ooh. Wait. This looks like a lot of... That's a special song right there. I was about to say, this music video reminds me of many Oh My Girls music video, no? Ooh, right? Ooh, the dance song. That part is fucking catchy. You know, ironically enough, I don't know if I dislike this. I don't know if I like this part or not. Did I just read Daddy? I never noticed how deep her voice was, actually. Oh. I like it, though I'm questioning the zoom 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 part. Oh, it's not Daddy, it's Do You. Yeah, that would have been weird, right? Do you, you know, like really quickly I read Daddy, you know, D-A-D, D because of the and Y. I'm sorry. Zum 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 zum. Has anyone made a meme already with like when you're trying to sleep and the mosquito in your room? Zum zum zum. Yeah. Yep. How do I feel about this? How do we feel about this, people? Thankfully, it doesn't take me out. I think because I find it humorous, I might end up liking it. But I'm still in the stages of like, I'm questioning why. But yeah, because I find it funny, I might take a liking to it. I'm not sure. Though the part that I'm like, ironically enough, I don't know if I like it, is this part. Let me explain. I'm not gonna wait until my neighbors are out of the corridor because it's gonna take forever. I was trying to say, it feels like it's detached because there's this like layer of her shouting, screaming, shouting, singing that chorus, you know? Yeah, there's that, but also on top of it, it's like she is speaking that same sentence in a very low tone. It's creating depth, yes, but it feels like it's a bubble. There's a bubble between those two layers, and I don't know how to feel about that. I love this part. Her voice on this is exquisite. I really like this. Also, her voice is it like a new technique or whatever? Because I never heard her voice like this before. I'm not the biggest connoisseur either, but damn. I love it. It's like, you know, attitude. I love it. But also there's like this little thing about it that makes it really sexy. I don't know. Back to questioning. I think there's so much attitude in the fact that she's so laid back. It's like zum 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 zum. You know what I mean? Dude, I feel like because I find it so fun to reenact it, I'm gonna start liking this part. It's always like this. You know, it's almost like when you start using a slang that you find ridiculous and then you unironically start using it in your daily vocabulary and stuff. That's how I feel with this part right here. Because I find it so ridiculously funny, I'm gonna stop making fun of it, and then I will somehow just end up liking it. Yeah, you know, right now I'm about, let's say, 70% sold on this song. I really adore the music video. The music video is a fucking feast to the eyes. Everything. It does have a lot of like, oh my girls identity in it. No, don't know. I'm pretty sure. I think this song is very flavorful. Definitely. It's something that it's different. It's special. It's setting itself apart from the other solo we've had this year, for sure. And that I have to applaud. This is unique. I like it. I really love her voice on it. We'll see how it grows on me. We'll see. We gotta move on, people. We gotta move on. We can go through this. Oh, I love the aesthetic already. It's been a minute since I've said the word aesthetic. Didn't I? Love the aesthetic of it. Yes, roller coaster. I actually made a poster that was inspired by their comeback poster. Yeah, I really like what they did, and so I was like, I'm gonna try to do something similar. That's it. That was TMI. There you go. Roller coaster. Let's go. No, wait. English captions. Let's see. I'm hungry, I think. Maybe that's why I'm lightheaded. Let's go. Pitta pat. Oh, I'm tired. Ooh. Oh, is this a retro song? That is a retro song. Or maybe not. I feel like I'm on the Rainbow Road right now. Hey! I feel like every time I write to them, I'm like finding something new, or like I keep on being surprised by maybe the same things every time. She's a rapper? Don't you feel like you're on that Mario Kart riding that Rainbow Road but make it retro? Oh, nice! Ooh. I think I'm losing my last brain cells. Why did I think that I would be able to film the whole day today when I'm still sick and recovering? This is yet another proof that I cannot trust myself. This was great. I think this is one of the songs in this video, at least, where I can safely tell you I liked it, like all of it. I'm not questioning any part of this, you know. It's an easy listen to song, but I think I liked it. I like this better than Sugar Sugar Tanga 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 Tango Sugar. Is that what it? That's that song, right? Yeah, I like this one better. But the thing is, sometimes my brain cannot differentiate. A song that I find catchy does not necessarily mean that it's a song that I love. Do you know what I mean? So like, I might like this one better compared to Sugar. But right now, maybe it's also because it's been released for a while already and I've known of that song for longer. But Sugar sounds more addicting than this song. So I do find this better, but in terms of addictiveness, Sugar is more addicting. Like the chorus is something that was easily like more repetitive, easily more ingrained in your brain. You know what I mean? Whereas this one, it's just like the chorus doesn't stand out that much to the rest of the song. Like this song is great, but it's not surprising. And so maybe that's why the chorus didn't stand out to me that much compared to... I am tired. I am tired. I like her deep voice. I just love deep voices in general, actually, yeah. That's it. This is great. Yeah. Move on from this because I'm barely holding on. See? Help. Oh, please. I'm gonna squeeze the very, very last brain cells from my brain to enjoy this. Because you guys, like many of you asked me to do this. This is not even a comeback. This is like a special video that they released. And so I usually don't do stuff like this, but this is on popular demand. And also you guys sold it to me very, very well. So I'm gonna try to squeeze the very last brain juice that I can out of me to be able to... Wow. I want to go through this, be able to enjoy every millisecond of this and give you like a good like review afterwards. Oh, no English captions. Anyway, Kokona. All this time there was someone who was so close to my name and I didn't know it. Kokona. And now Coco. Okay, Maya, Harvey, Churin. Churin is the member that always catches my attention. The leader. I didn't know she was a rapper. What do I know? Gals. Cipher. Oh. Oh. Aphrodite. Or is that Athena?
C to the OCO and AB popping on the made weights. Who would have downloaded it would turn up on it like a fadeaway. He for the don't get lazy flow. When I'm away, no play, no games. Hold up, let me just play my throw quick. Okay. Live it now, body did never win that. The motori nashi uchira mo take it the one. But that to has not like us. Cold, be the new genesis. Stage cock, I got flicking the wrist. Competition, we go put on to rest. Taking the L's and giving the F's. $1 the one over 100 with spent money power. Rip at the comes on a cosplay. 어리버리 따위 떠진 않아. 내 파릇은 눕힌 the rotten tomato. 내 파랗게 verify. 너네 북해주는 바람직한 건 너 재미라. Surrounded by sound who made it. C to the OCO and AB popping on the made weights. Who would have doubted him would turn up on it like a fadeaway. He for the don't get lazy flow. When I'm away, no play, no games. Hold up, let me just play my throw real quick. Okay. I know.
Ooh, Achilles. She devoured that. What she did?
마다 스스메의 story next page.
Oh.
다른 못하더리 teeth in night stage. Whether you're ready or not, it's now or never. We gon' do this, yo, tiptoeing all around the globe, leaving tracks to the Tokyo. Only spit facts, while it's capping as cap is acting to Pinocchio. Never lacking, never slacking. Lights, camera, action, we gon' smash it. I open the act like the grand finale. Me going down bad, I can even imagine it might be on the come up while they going down bad. 너네도 열심히 해보는 많아요. 어차피 또 한숨만 해. Yeah.
Is any of them actually native?
Underdog, pre-G-O-D. This ain't trending, it's a VIP.
Oh, so do they write their own lyrics?
I am not like you, know what I try to. 애가 있다 vision, 지가 우사이도 fame with a fortune. 수단이 가릴 때만 마다 스스 메르키 카쿠. We on the come up, while they going down bad. Ay, 너네는 꿈을, 우린 아직 창창해. Ay, we on the come up, while they going down bad. Ay, 너네는 꿈을, 우린 아직 창창해.
Oh wait, that's Korean. Yo, I'm so out of it. I'm so sorry. I'm barely standing up. Let's go, Harvey. Let's go. Ooh, I want to get this tattoo fly.
Metal sticking up, ain't no one and die. Mama, but it's not enough. 쓰러당기 double dollar since it wants it. 우린 never shocking pick up on it. I wanna born, yeah. Be the real Holly, best believe that ain't no joke. Couple dances we body proudly, yeah, I need to take notes, yeah. Everything we solid, white, everything we just singles. Yeah, I'm not tryna be the next one, so but we catching up on them close. Ain't no pause,
Oh,
ain't no
okay.
plans, just know me. Now I don't pick and choose, I just show and proof, maintain the same energy. 뭐와 같아 연이지는 말과必ずX忘れないで数字上がる合図は一味長い素晴らしきもチーム Yeah, gotta keep winning, that's a Elon Musk. Gotta live like the Beyonce knows. 지니야 속에 유견지고光輝く 24K go. 자꾸 올라가는 값어치 우 계속 들어오린 새로운 기우 누가 막아 우리 가미는 구 I'm winning, 난 누가봐요.
Oh, mama. Mother.
There's shadow under this Shooting got the fire flame flavor. When the spice kicks, you taste the game changer. Big words coming out of them, no brainer, but I just can't cut it. We're sick in the top, break the zone, no. Don't be bitter, be better, keep better, keep that.
She's got a dimple.
Yeah, the plot keeps ticking in. What a clock's ticking in, I'm sicker than a sapper spitting in a pandemic like boo. In the beast, in the queen beast, in the woo.
Ma'am, I'm gonna have to ask you.
Never miss a beat, freaking misdemeanor. My girls with me out of leading, my galette wouldn't.
Do not come at me like that. Oh. She's my new religion.
When they see you, they go Johto. When they see me, they go Moto. When they see you, they go Johto. When they see me, they go.
I'm gonna need to grab onto something because let me take a sip, okay? Let me take a sip. Okay, yeah. Yep. I feel like I deserve to be like down here and they're up here. Cause definitely up there. Holy fuck, what the hell? What the hell was that serve? You know, I agree that sometimes there are words that we overuse and so it loses its meaning. I get it. You know, I get it. But this right here, served, ate, left no crumbs, all that thing, that lingo, you know, all that Twitter lingo, apply this here. Delivered, served, ate, left no crumbs. Yeah, that. Hello? Okay, I'm sorry, but like I've got as much knowledge of rap to a newborn, okay? Which means 0. But then again, I don't know anything about electricity either, but I can appreciate it, right? Same thing here. I don't know shit. I can't tell you what makes a good rap a good rap. I'm not a judge on Show Me the Money. I don't care what the judges on Show Me the Money would say about this. Because I deem this divine. This girl right here devoured this. Her flow and also her delivery. I feel like a lot of time with rap, it's not necessarily about what you're rapping about, but it's about the attitude and the delivery. You know, if the delivery isn't good, if your text is good, it's not gonna go through. Do you know what I mean? If you have something to say, but the delivery isn't, you know, helping the message go through, nobody's gonna be listening. Do you know what I mean? And so it wouldn't have mattered if the lyrics were good, if people can't listen because you're delivering it bad. Do you know what I mean? Here, her delivery is so good that you can't help but want to appreciate every syllable, every consonant. Is that every letters, basically. Even her breath here, you want to appreciate. Every pauses that she's taking, you want to appreciate. That was simply magnificent. Also, mise en scène and everything, styling, gorgeous. Not only her flow is good, her delivery is good, but her voice. That's Aphrodite, right? That makes me think of Achilles. Also, she's got those leaves. This is very godlike, isn't it? It's so fun to notice when listening to this how they're like bringing out a different alter ego. Like, I'm a different person based on the verses. Do you know what I mean? Because of the atmosphere is different, the delivery is different, because of the intention. The intention is so different every damn time right here. So the way we receive it and we want to mirror it is also going to differ from verse to verse, right? Another thing that I want to point out is how individually good all of these are. For different reasons. They each have their own flavor. And that's great because, you know, when it's logical, but when they have like group activities, it's hard for them to showcase their own individual flavor. These type of videos are perfect for these.
Underdog pre-G-O-D. This ain't trending, it's a VIP. Elevating on a daily basis, no cloud chasing, cliche, clickbait. I am not like you, know what I try to. I got the vision, she got inside to fame with a fortune. So then it got it, my mother says, kaku, we on the come.
How many languages? So are they all fluent in English? Like fluent enough to write their own rap? because that's impressive as hell. I mean, I'd like to think of myself as a fluent English speaker. Definitely not native, for sure. But I like to think of myself that way. However, I'm hardly able to write a letter in English. Like, there's so much slangs in there that I can't keep up. I don't know what they're talking about, but that sounds cool as hell.
While they going down, down bad.
Down, down bad. Hey. Hey.
We on the come up. While they going down, down bad. 너는 꿈을. 우린 아직 창, 창. Hey.
Love that.
I'm
not trying to be the next so-and-so, but we are catching up real close. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. The way these girls are blowing everyone's mind. I just know that they're just too good not to be impressive. I'm sorry. I realize I look really ridiculous right now in the viewfinder. Wow, but I'm tired. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to. I'm really sorry.
Girls with me out of leading my galette wouldn't too blunt to be modest. 이마말에 너 수백 대 마루도 풀이다네. 아프레르 노이즈 카키와 게르 슈어수. mommy pick a punch on a rap goddess. Too hot to cool off. Na na na.
They are sick for this. They are sick for this. They're sick. Wow. I mean, then again, if you were expecting me to talk about like technicalities, can't do that. I can tell you this though. So that I can say. Also imagine rapping in 3 different languages. Because I caught like Japanese for sure in there, Korean, English. Imagine doing that. If they wrote it themselves, that makes it even better. Like that makes, wow. I mean, I'm not saying like, you know, idols in the K-pop industry can't rap like this. Some of them can. I know some of them can. We all know there's like good female rappers out there. We all know that. But XG are kind of like coming in and like, they're not really K-pop, they're just like international pop, right? But they're also like performing in Korea and they're doing all of the things that they do, and it's like, they're dangerous. I feel like after seeing that, people should be afraid. Watching this is kind of like your motivation to get better. Anyways, I can't believe I made it to the end. There are going to be consequences to my actions right here, right now. But it was still so worth it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Thank you to the patrons for voting. Thank you for your suggestions, because this, for example, good food. Good soup actually, but good food in general. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.